The LTFRB insists that the ongoing transport strike had little to no impact to commuters. Now, the agency claims that only a few jeepney drivers and operators joined the nationwide transport protest. However, News 5 encountered some commuters who struggled to ride a jeepney to their work yesterday. Piston and Manibela are leading the transport strike against the government's PUV modernization program. Cubao, Quiapo Jeepney Operators and Drivers Association President Alan Figueroa described the cooperative program as bogus.
Paano yung mga drivers operator? Di bebenta ngayon yan kung sino yung mataas na bidding sa kanila ibibigay prangkisa para yung mga modern tatakbo sa rota namin.
Yun.
Eh, you cannot truly say naman na nag-flop yung transport strike. Kasi yung mga schools, nag-declare naman na walang pasok. So therefore, yung regular commuting public...
sila.
Oo, yung regular commuting public na inaasahan
medyo nabawasan.
Nabawasan, so hindi mo magigage yan. Kasi every time na lang may transport strike, nagde-declare yung ibang klase, yung schools, para ma-mitigate yung effect na walang pasok. Tapos may ayuda na transport ayuda from the government, di ba?
MMDA or LGU.
So if you do this, talagang hindi mo mararamdaman ng transport strike. We want to see ano ba talaga epekto ng transport strike. No less than the government said, hindi mararamdaman yan dahil yung nakikita nyo hindi makasakay, normal yun. Normal na pala yun . And yet,
pero may mga areas pa rin na nakita natin na hirapan din yung mga commuters. Yung
kaya
mga
nga, ang sabi
regularly na pumapasok sa kanilang trabaho.
Sabi ng government, normal lang daw yun. Yun ang point. Normal nga sa atin na hirapan sumakay, tapos babawasan nyo pa ng ano. I hope we can fix this. Kasi it's not only the jeepney drivers who will suffer, even the riding public.
So I think this is not the last time that they're going to do a transport strike. Itong grupo na to dahil nga sa kanilang opposition.
In history, it's never the last time.
Modernization program na to ng gobyerno.